Today, we're going to learn about the 7 basic food flavors. Let's explore each one with some tasty examples. Sour. Lemons have a sour taste. Green apples are sour. Sweet. Honey is naturally sweet. Mangoes are juicy and sweet. Bitter. The medicine tasted bitter. Bitter melon is very bitter. Salty. Potato chips are salty. Soy sauce has a salty flavor. Spicy. Chili peppers are very spicy. Wasabi is very spicy. Savory, also called umami. Mushrooms have a deep, savory taste. Grilled meat has a strong umami flavor. Tangy. Pickles have a tangy taste. Tomato sauce is slightly tangy. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Your support means a lot.